Okay, nobody get scared. You're in the trees, yes. Don't fall down, please.
Hurry up!
Okay. Hey, you guys, you might want to cover your ears. You might want to cover your ears.
Warning!
You might want to... Wait, I swear.
Cover the ears, it's really loud.
You want to cover your ears?
Ara, vi gir alltså alltid en AC-länk.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sorry! It's we're testing. It's kind of a secret. Yes! UFOs, we saw a couple like around there over the downtown area. Oh, shit. We gotta try to communicate one more time. Arthur.
Okay, one more time.
He's gonna do it again.
Cover your ears.
Arthur, just do it. Woo!
Thank you very much.
Sorry for the inconvenience. You see that stupid ass?
America does shit.
See the stupid ass.
America.
Yeah.
We gotta go take a shit now. Like that bird right.
That too. You motherfucker, you got a scared bitch. Scared. Yeah, that's fucking thing's pretty fucking loud. Yeah? Really? Mm-hmm. Like that. Fuck that.
Recording, hurry up.
Hurry up, bye-bye.
Alright, ready, set.
Woo! Heart attack! Yeehaw! God bless America!